This year we're doing a more natural tree look, so it's only going to be the lights on with natural ornaments and not a lot. I wanted to show you guys how to take the salt dough beads and make them into a natural Christmas tree ornaments. So if you want to see how I create this video, keep on watching. This week I'm going to show you how to make salt dough Christmas ornaments. Now first you want to choose the size of your ornament. I think that's a little bit big. I think maybe we'll do both sides, just sizes to see, and how thick your salt dough will lay. Okay guys, so I just put it on a skewer and now I'm gonna set it to dry. So these ones we're gonna need to poke a hole. Now this one's really dry and I cracked it, so let me just get it back up. I should have put plastic underneath this so these don't stick. So when you're doing yours, just make sure you have plastic underneath it. I'm gonna try it and see what happens. So now you wanna make a hole. So make sure you leave enough space so when you put your thread through, this is not going to break, right? Not too far and not too close. And then we're gonna let this dry. Now for these ones here, if you have one of those word pressers where you can press like Noella or put the name of the person, Noel, sorry, not Noella, Noel, then go ahead and do that. If you are the first to watch my videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified when I upload my posts every Tuesday. Now, if you wanted to tag me on your projects, I do have my Instagram page where you are able to tag me, or I do have my Facebook page where you are able to upload your different DIY projects. You can check out the link in the description box. Now that you know how to take your salt dough beads and make them into a more natural Christmas tree ornament, you can check out this video next. If you like this week's video, subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit that bell to be notified. Also, comment down below and share the content with your family and friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week, and everyone have a fabulous Christmas break.